Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about proper cooling system maintenance and keeping your cooling system in really good working order. By doing so, you'll prevent all kinds of issues that can happen with the vehicle's cooling system and failures. Let's start out by replacing coolant with the proper coolant is extremely important. A lot of manufacturers recommend 100,000 miles for coolant replacement. The West Automotive Group, we recommend 3 years or 50,000 miles. This will help severely keep your cooling system in great working order. Replacing the thermostat itself when you actually change out the coolant keeps the regulating temperature of your vehicle proper. These are a mechanical device that regulates temperature, and often they can stick when they get older or have been in the vehicle for quite a long time. By replacing the coolant regularly, you prevent failures such as radiator failures where we have electrochemical degradation that happens inside a coolant when not replaced regularly. You're going to want to keep an eye on your hoses on the vehicle. We usually recommend anywhere from 60 to 100,000 miles, depending on the hose quality and how often you service the cooling system, to replacing these hoses. By doing these services, you'll prevent water pump and other failures on your vehicle. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for The Auto Man, Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.